Hi everyone, it's Chris and Karen once again from Kushala Yoga, coming into your living room again. So we're nearing the end of the challenge. There's only a few days left, and first of all, just thank you so much for making the challenge what it is. It's been fantastic to see so many of you, and certainly practicing so much, trying different styles of classes and maybe even different practices. And we do have some wonderful things set up for you to conclude the challenge. First thing, the metta meditation was released today. So our theme, our week 3 theme, was attitude, and metta meditation is kind of cultivating the attitude of loving kindness. So that's been posted. Very excited to have Yin in your PJs tonight as well with Nicole. So that, as you know, with Nicole is going to be fun. There's breathwork and meditation with Eilina tomorrow, and on Sunday we have laughter yoga. Laughter yoga, first time in our almost 15-year history that we've had laughter yoga in at Kushala Yoga. Once again, this will be with Nicole, so again there will be obviously a lot of laughter. Even if it wasn't called laughter yoga and Nicole was teaching it, you'd probably get some laughter anyway, so that's wonderful. And on Monday we have our challenge wrap-up class, so you'll see, of course, Karen and I and maybe 1 or 2 other teachers doing the wrap-up class on the 21st on Monday, and that's at 6 p.m. I believe. So yeah, lots of good stuff to just keep you inspired and supported for the last few days of the challenge and into your holidays. So we hope everyone's doing well. Reach out to us anytime if there's anything that you'd like to let us know.